If you are still using the default media player on your Windows PC, stop. You are not just missing out, you are suffering. Because today I am going to show you the top 5 best media player for Windows in 2025. And every one of them is free, powerful and 100% better than whatever came pre-installed. You might have gone through the situation when you are ready to watch your favorite movie and when you try to open that with the default player that comes in and might have shown you unsupported format. So let's upgrade your experience forever with these top 5 media player available for Windows. At number 5 we have kept Plex. It is not just a media player, it is like having your own personal Netflix. Plex organizes your videos, music and photos and even TV shows and let you stream them anywhere. On your PC, phone, smart TV or even your toaster. Okay, maybe not your toaster. Okay, so when we talk about its pros, it have got beautiful interface, stream from your PC to any device and is great for large media libraries. When I talk about the con of it, it is a bit heavier for local playback and some features need a paid plan. So if your media is all over the place, Plex bring it to home, make it look sexy. The only con I see with the Plex media player is that if you want to enjoy your offline content, then you need to get Plex media server. And sometimes it became really cumbersome, because you are downloading two different things. But as I said, the good thing about Plex is that once you install it, you can enjoy the content across all your devices. Now let's talk about player number 4 in our list, which is GOM Player. GOM Player is that underrated friend who always saves the day. Stuck on a weird file format, GOM finds the codec. Want to loop a scene endlessly? GOM can do it. Tired of boring subtitle? GOM lets you tweak it like a pro. And let's talk about its pros. So first of all, I would say it comes with a decent library of built-in codec installed. However, if you are dealing with a very new file format, GOM have built-in codec finder that lets you play even the alien video file format. Secondly, it also supports 360-degree and VR video. It also comes with advanced playback tricks. If we talk about the con of GOM Player, then the free version unfortunately have ads. Interface sometimes feel a bit old school. The third player in our list is PotPlayer. PotPlayer looks like a VLC secret twin, except this one hits the gym. It offers Ultra HD playback, 3D and 360-degree video, and even basic video editing and screen recording built right in. If you talk about some of its additional pros, then it comes with insane library of codec that lets you play almost all the video format. And as I said before, it also comes with built-in capability of doing screenshot, recording and subtitle sync. And because of these features, I would say it is great for geeks. And if I talk about the con of it, then I would say the pros of it sometimes became con because it could be overwhelming for casual users. At number 2, we have got Media Player Classic, or sometimes known as MPC. And I would say MPC was being around since floppy disks were cool. Media Player Classic Home Cinema, aka MPC-HC, is a old school but not obsolete. It is ridiculously light, fast and perfect for low-end PC. Comes with zero ad, zero bloat and just play the dang video. If I talk about the pros of it, it runs on Potato, super clean and simple, no internet, still work flawlessly, and even do not require any internet connection. If I talk about some of its cons, then it lacks some of modern features and UI is pretty plain. So if you are somebody who like minimalistic perfection, like a black coffee, but for media lovers, then for sure you can go with Media Player Classic. Now let's talk about the king of players, and then this is consistently one of the most popular player out there in the market and is completely free, which is none other than VLC Media Player. You knew it was coming, right? The Chuck Norris of media players. If it is video file, VLC going to play it. It is free, open source, lightweight, and doesn't throw ad in your face. Not only that, it also comes with ton of hidden features. For example, somebody want to convert their video, VLC can do it. And of course, as I was mentioning, it can play any file with no extra codec needed. It is cross-platform and is available for almost all platforms out there in the market. On the con side, I would say, some of advanced features, as I was mentioning, it comes with converter, are hidden deep inside it and is not user friendly. I also would like to mention some of other players that were not able to make out in this top 5 list. Quick shout out to KMPlayer and KMPlayer. KMPlayer have internal codec, can play DVDs, VR and more. KMPlayer go a level up and can even let you stream your iPhone as well as iPad in Windows and Mac. So that's wrap up our top 5 free media player for Windows in 2025. Do let us know which one you choose in comment down below. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content that help you to elevate your productivity, and I will see you around.